Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ravina Nadal Kasana. You can call me Ravina. Serial number is 25. I'm from TNDJKT2. I'm here to explain this project. My project is testing UTP cable using a LAN tester, maintenance and repair network cable, where we check the cable and if there is a problem we fix it. To pause the project is to find out how to check the UTP cable with a LAN tester, know how to care for and install UTP cable, and know how to check internet on the computer via UTP cable. The tools and the material. We prepare tools and material like I will show you. Scissors, UTP cable, LAN tester, connector, RG45, crimping tools, cable cutter. A short explanation how we complete the project from start to finish. We check the cable and computer network. Connect both ends of the cable to the LAN tester. If all cable light up, it's meant there is not problem. After that, on the computer, open the control panel, then select Internet and click Change Adapter option. Next, the Ethernet option with UTP cable appears. Select and right-click, then click Status. This part shows to enter the code to check by typing ping on CMD or browsing. In carrying out this project, we found several problems, namely computer has difficulty connection to Ethernet, even though there is no problem. Computer suddenly has problem and keyboard suddenly can type. We work together as a team to solve problem and think differently. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.